On Friday afternoon, April 26, 2024, a series of severe tornadoes swept through the states of Nebraska and Iowa, leaving scenes of devastation and sowing terror among local residents. These tornadoes, with winds reaching up to 217 km/h, ripped through rural and suburban areas, flattening homes, tearing down trees and power lines. Or next time.
Oh well.
Produced a visible tornado. It's just that rotation that we saw, that backwards comma and defying hook, but hopefully,
Dude, the whole fucking neighborhood's gone.
According to footage from security cameras and images shared by residents on social media, the tornadoes appeared suddenly and moved at breakneck speed. The howling of the wind and the fierce crashing of debris created a terrifying atmosphere, leaving many people fearful. The damage caused by the tornadoes is immense. Hundreds of homes have been completely destroyed, tens of thousands of people have been left homeless and displaced to temporary shelters. Many buildings, businesses, and infrastructure have also suffered severe damage. Initial estimates suggest that the damage caused by the tornadoes could amount to billions of dollars. Search and rescue efforts for survivors are still urgently underway. A tornado swept through the outskirts of Omaha, Nebraska on Friday, damaging hundreds of homes and other structures as it tore through miles of farmland and divided into smaller neighborhoods. Some injuries have been reported, but there were no immediate reports of fatalities.
They need a new roof. Anybody got tarps? Oh my God.
Multiple tornadoes were reported in Nebraska and Iowa, but the most destructive storm moved from mostly rural areas to the northwest suburbs of Omaha, a city of 485,000 people. Social media images showed the small town of Minden, Iowa, about 30 miles northeast of Omaha, also suffered significant damage.
Alright gang, I'm my radar meteorologist Matthew Capucci. Huge tornado, quarter-mile wide, right in front of me. This is in Tennant, in southwest Iowa. Tornado emergency in effect.
Jack, I'm down in the truck. Let's do it.
Jack, where's your truck?
Someone will kill me, but sorry. The stories are worth it.
That's a strong tornado. Lots of debris in the air.
Omaha Police Lieutenant Neil Bonacci said hundreds of homes were damaged in Omaha, primarily in the Elkhorn area to the west of the city. In a Friday evening press conference, Omaha Fire Chief Kathy Bossman said rescue teams reached the Ramblewood neighborhood of Elkhorn just before 4 p.m. local time and found significant damage. Bossman said teams were conducting detailed searches of damaged neighboring areas overnight and into Saturday. The head of the fire department also said, "We've got power outages, power lines down, gas leaks, unstable structures, trees down." Omaha Police Chief Todd Schmaderer told reporters that, as of Friday evening, he knew of 2 people hospitalized with minor injuries.
I just took that building out.
Yeah, I did.
Should we get away from the windows?
I got this! I got it under control!
Power class!
I don't want to have to clean that up. Oh my gosh.
In one area of Elkhorn, dozens of large, newly built homes were damaged. At least 6 were destroyed, including one flattened, while others were torn in half. Tornado red alerts were issued in the Omaha area on Friday afternoon, just as students were preparing to leave school. Many schools sheltered students in place until the storm passed. Hours later, buses were still transporting students home. In Lancaster County, Nebraska, where 3 people were injured when an industrial building collapsed, sheriff's officials also said they received reports of a train derailment near Waverly. Alongside the loss and injuries, the tornado disaster also showed the extraordinary solidarity of local residents. Immediately after the tornadoes passed, rescue teams quickly arrived at the scene to assist residents. Charitable organizations and local authorities also promptly provided financial and material support to affected families.
Got it! We got it! Move!